Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your age on Discord in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to open your Discord. After opening your Discord, you have to open your Discord support page. So click here. Now you have to go to submit a request. Press on it. Now in submit a request, you have to press on Apples and Age Object Request. Now give your email address. In the option of how can we help, you have to give here update my age information. Now give your phone number. This is optional. Now you have to give your birth date. Now give a subject. Here you have to give a description. After writing your description, you have to just press this button and press on submit. Now you can see here your request was successfully submitted. That's it. So this is how to change your age on Discord in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.